Hello, welcome to my channel Nana Query Special. And you know me Mama Kwa, but so this is what I've got for you today, some plantain chips. They are very easy to make and very delicious. If you've got plantain at home, some oil, some salt, you can just prepare this dish. It's very easy. First, I'll wash my plantain very well. Wash them in a big bowl of water. After that, I'll peel all of my plantain, and this is how I peel them, just like that. And then I'll do that with the rest of my plantain. So you see me using the green ones. It's optional to use some slightly yellow ones, and you'll get a sweeter taste with those, but it's just what you prefer. So after that, I'll just slice my plantain. I'll slice them in two ways so you can see what you've got, which tools you've got at home to slice them, and which way will be better for you. So this is how they look like. And then I'll just do that. This is how they came out. And this is the other method I use to slice my plantain. And then you get some long slices. And after that, you see how it turns out. I'll do that with all the rest of my plantain. And there you go. Here you see me sprinkle them with some salt water, and then I'll check whether my oil is hot enough. So you can just fry them in medium heat water. Make sure it's hot enough, but not too hot, otherwise it will all get burned. So here you see me add them bits by bits, and this is how they are supposed to look like, golden brown. And they are ready, so I'm just gonna take them out of the oil. All of them, and that is it. And then I'll fry the long sliced ones. Just put them in one by one, and I'm doing that because I don't want them to get stuck to each other. If I add all of them at once, they might get stuck to each other, so I just put them in one by one. Once in a while, just give it a stir, and be careful with stirring it, otherwise it will break when they are crunchy. So that's it. Just take them out of the oil. They are ready. And it's optional to add some garlic powder or some chili powder. Just see what you prefer. I just like them with a little bit of salt, and that's it, because they are sweet by itself, just like that. So look at them. That's it. It's very easy. You just need a few things, and that's it. You don't need a lot of ingredients. You can just, if you have some plantain, you can just make this dish. It's very easy. So look at how crunchy they are. This is what you want. They are delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Nyami shiramunyana.